Hi, my name is Dave Renham and I am the online maths tutor. I do lessons for children aged 6 to 16, and if you'd like to contact me, the details are on the bottom of your screen. So today's video, we are going to look at mental maths and so many different ways to answer particular questions. And I've chosen one question to look at today, which is 25 times 16. Now, as we can see, there are two methods. They're basically the same method, where we're going to split the numbers up into 20 and 5. So we're splitting 25 into 20 and 5, and we're going to split 16 in this way into 10 and 6. So this is called partitioning. So we're going to do 20 times 16 and 5 times 16. So 20 times 16 is 320, 5 times 16 is 80. We're then going to add the two numbers together to give us 400. Essentially the same idea here. This time, though, we're going to split the 16 up, and we're going to do 25 times 10 is 250, 25 times 6 is 150, and then we're going to add them together. This method we'll use for virtually any two-digit number multiplied by a two-digit number. That's a very standard way of doing it. But for this particular one, because 25 and 16 are nice numbers, we have other options, if the first options are ones that you can't get your head around. Now, 16 is a lovely number because it's 2 to the power of 4, which is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we can use doubling. Now, most children find doubling quite straightforward, certainly compared with timesing by 16. So we can take the 25, we can double it to make the 50, double it for a second time to make 100, double it for the third time to make 200, and then finally double it for the last time, the fourth time, to make 400. Likewise, 25 is a nice number because it's a quarter of 100. So one thing we could do is we could change this 25 into 100, do 100 times 16, which is 1,600. And then we need to divide by 4 because we've already times by 4 originally to get us back to 400. A nice way to divide by 4 is by halving and halving again. So it's a similar trick to this doubling trick, but in reverse. So we can halve that to make 800. And halve it again to make 400. One more method we could look at for this particular question. 25 we know is 5 times 5. So we could split that up and change the sum to 16 times 5 times 5. And 16 times 5 is 80, and 80 times 5 again gives us the answer of 400. If you're not very good at multiplying by 5 in your head, one way that you could make it easier for yourself is by timing by 10 and then halving it. So for example, we could do 16 times 10 is 160, halve it to make 80. Likewise from here, we could do 800 times 10, which is 800, and halve it to give us 400. I hope you've enjoyed my first video. I'm going to try and make them short and sweet. And if you'd like to, please like, subscribe, share this video. Thank you very much.